pit stop mode on the 12VSolutions remote starter kit. This is installed in my 2008 Toyota Tundra. Engine's running, so you want to stop at 7-Eleven for an ice cold Slurpee, but you want to leave your vehicle running with the air conditioner on, or somebody doesn't want to come in with you. So what you can do, and this works with just the stock key fob, is hit the lock button 3 times. You have to be fairly quick for this mode, unlike just normal remote start where you can hit it much more slowly. So press, press, press. Okay, I can tell it worked because my lights came on there and in the cab. So now I can turn the key off, pull it out. This whole time, of course, I've had to keep my foot off the brake, because that's a security feature where if somebody hits the brake to put it in park, the engine will die. Get out. Go get my Slurpee. Well, actually, before I get my Slurpee, I want to lock it. Done with the Slurpee, come back, unlock it, get in, put the key in, turn it to, and once I hit the brakes, lights went out, let me know it's ready to go, and I can put it in drive and away I go. I don't use this mode that often, but when I do, it sure is handy. And the security feature works just like in normal remote start mode. If it's running, I'm currently in pit stop mode, got my keys out. If someone somehow got into the vehicle and went to put it in drive, they obviously have to press the brake pad. When I press the brake pad now, and it just dies to make sure they don't run off with your truck.